the day has come. I cannot express how excited I am. This is just getting better and better. And if you still haven't lost your mind, then I'm sure today you will. We haven't seen such bullish news for years. I know you can't wait anymore, so let's not waste a second and get straight to the point. Disclaimer. Today marks a very important day for Shiba Inu. The crypto is seeing a potential breakout amid rising investor interest, with technical indicators suggesting bullish momentum. But while these indicators are undeniably important, there's something even bigger happening in the crypto space. 2 days ago, we saw a little upward movement for Shiba Inu, with its value increasing by almost 10% in just 24 hours. And only now some pretty interesting details about that time have been discovered. The on-chain data never lies, and this time, it has something very important to tell. Crypto analyst Davey Satoshi shared some promising insights about Shiba Inu's market analysis. According to him, there are signs pointing towards a potential breakout. After a period of staying relatively stable within a symmetrical triangle pattern, the price of Shiba Inu has now broken out of its previous month-long trend. Breaking a month-long trend is a big deal because it suggests a shift in momentum. With Shiba Inu, where price movements can be incredibly rapid, this could mean that a significant upward movement is on the horizon. If the current momentum continues and the price manages to breach the upper trend line, we could be looking at some exciting developments ahead. Interestingly, this is no coincidence. It was just discovered that in May 2024, Shiba Inu actually topped the trading charts on an Indian exchange, outpacing even Bitcoin in terms of trading volume. And here's something you should understand. When an altcoin like Shiba Inu surpasses Bitcoin in trading volume, it's not something that happens at random. It suggests that there's something significant happening within the Shiba Inu space. For an altcoin to outperform Bitcoin in trading volume, essentially, it means that investors are paying more attention to Shiba Inu and are actively buying and selling it in larger volumes compared to Bitcoin. This surge in trading volume for Shiba Inu could be a signal that something noteworthy is on the horizon for the cryptocurrency. It's often seen as a sign that there's momentum building behind that particular cryptocurrency, and this is actually getting out of control. With Bitcoin making a comeback and long-term whales returning to accumulate it, the excitement around Bitcoin is reaching new heights. Add to that the streak of 16 consecutive days of inflows towards the Bitcoin ETF, and you've got a frenzy surrounding Bitcoin like never before. Let's not forget that yesterday saw the second biggest inflow ever in history, reaching almost $1 billion. This excitement stems from several factors. Bitcoin is often seen as the pioneer and leader of the cryptocurrency market. When its price surges or there's increased activity around it, it tends to generate a lot of attention and enthusiasm among investors. Plus, the inflows into the Bitcoin ETF indicate growing institutional interest and acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. So, in the midst of all this Bitcoin frenzy, the fact that Shiba Inu can surpass that level of excitement is truly remarkable. It speaks to the unique appeal and momentum behind Shiba Inu, especially considering its relatively recent entry into the cryptocurrency landscape when compared to Bitcoin. It suggests that there's a significant shift in focus and sentiment towards Shiba Inu, making its rise even more noteworthy in the midst of Bitcoin's resurgence. So, what's really going on here? How is it even possible? Well, let me explain. According to analytics from the account Look on Chain, on June 5th, there was a significant event in the world of Shiba Inu. A massive buying spree, described as a crazy Shiba buy, occurred as cryptocurrency whales, or large investors, accumulated a staggering amount of Shiba Inu coins. This sudden influx of buying activity coincided with Shiba Inu's price soaring by almost 10% within just 2 days, making it the second largest meme cryptocurrency by market capitalization. In simpler terms, big investors scooped up a huge amount of Shiba Inu coins all at once, driving up demand and causing the price to spike. This kind of buying spree from whales can often signal strong bullish sentiment and confidence in the future potential of Shiba Inu, leading to increased attention and excitement among other investors. Look On-Chain revealed that 9 wallets, owned by 2 anonymous whales, made an incredible purchase of 1.3 trillion Shiba Inu coins, forking out a whopping 35 million in traditional currency. It seems like the Shiba Inu whales have been quite active lately, similar to what we've seen with Bitcoin, but Shiba Inu is on a whole other level of wild. Besides this massive Shiba Inu buying spree, on June 5th, the same data source reported that another anonymous, super big Shiba Inu whale snapped up a staggering 715 billion Shiba Inu coins. This cost them $18 million at the time of the transaction. And this second whale is known for some crazy history. During Shiba Inu's early days, this second whale accumulated 5.5 trillion Shiba Inu coins for roughly $400,000. Later, when the Shiba Inu price soared to its peaks, they sold that amount for approximately $121 million. Can you imagine that? The difference between $400,000 and $121 million is mind-blowing. Imagine having $400,000 and through strategic investment and timing, turning it into $121 million. That's an astronomical leap in wealth, and it showcases the incredible potential gains that can be made in the cryptocurrency market, even with a relatively modest initial investment. So, what's behind all this buying activity from the top whales? Is there something big on the horizon for Shiba Inu? Well, there actually might be. Recently, Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, took to Twitter to express his thoughts on a concerning trend in the cryptocurrency world. He highlighted the growing trend of celebrities creating their own tokens, hyping them up, and then allegedly selling off their holdings, essentially profiting at the expense of their fans. What's shocking about this trend is the ethical perspective. When celebrities launch tokens, generate hype around them, and then swiftly sell off their holdings, it can leave their fans and investors feeling cheated and betrayed. It's essentially a form of exploitation, where fans are encouraged to invest their money based on trust and loyalty, only to see their investments lose value when the celebrity decides to cash out. Projects should be built on genuine value and utility, rather than relying solely on hype and celebrity endorsements. Vitalik Buterin emphasized the importance of projects offering meaningful engagement beyond just token trading and ensuring longevity, rather than being a short-lived hype cycle. And this is where Shiba Inu's lead developer comes in. In response to Vitalik Buterin's critique, Shytoshi Kusama expressed a positive outlook, indicating that Shiba Inu is already working on a project that aligns with Buterin's vision. He mentioned that they're considering an even larger-scale project and would present Buterin's feedback to their team for validation. What does this mean? Well, it suggests that Shiba Inu isn't just aware of the need for meaningful, lasting projects in the cryptocurrency space, but is actively working towards them. This could potentially make people excited because it indicates a shift towards more substantial and sustainable developments within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This announcement might be one of the reasons why huge whales are now returning and accumulating Shiba Inu like crazy. But why? Well, when influential figures like Shytoshi Kusama acknowledge the importance of building long-term value and credibility, it can instill confidence among investors, including these whales. They may see this as a sign that Shiba Inu is evolving beyond just hype and speculation, towards becoming a project with genuine utility and longevity. So they're likely eager to get in on the action early, anticipating potential future growth and returns. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.